I know it's confusing because they say we're not our thoughts, but when we want to manifest, we have to change our thoughts. But if we're not our thoughts, then how do our thoughts manifest? So maybe your thoughts alone don't manifest. It's more your subconscious beliefs. And to change your beliefs, you do have to change your thoughts because you are what you think. I'm pretty sure you've heard of that. But we know that not every thought manifests, right? Imagine if that were the case. It's only your repeating thoughts that manifest because those thoughts become your story. Your story then becomes your life. So if you want to change your life, you have to change your story. And that does begin with your thoughts. And if I could add, your subconscious thoughts. I teach EFT tapping to rewire subconscious beliefs, but you can do it with other tools like mirror work, affirmations, breath work, hypnosis. There's so many techniques out there. But remember that the techniques itself don't hold the power, it's you. It's the way you show up for yourself, the way you decide how your life is going to be, your consistency, your effort, your persistence. There's no good or bad technique. It's just about picking the one that resonates with you and not stopping, not giving up. Just keep doing it and keep showing up. And this means showing up even when you feel like your manifestation is not there yet. This means you stick to your new story in your imagination, regardless of what your reality looks like. Okay? If you have any questions, ask them below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.